Hello, this is Kathy Lee, Crafting with Kathy Lee. Thank you for visiting my YouTube channel. This is a video walkthrough of a kit from Scrapbooking with Me. This is a design team video. I am happy to be a member of the new design team, and this is just a walkthrough of one of their collections. I will be sharing videos of projects I've made, and maybe I will even do some tutorials, even though I haven't done a lot of tutorials, so I kind of get nervous when I do them. Actually, I kind of get nervous whenever I even do a video. So if I stutter, if I stumble, please forgive me. Just know that I really like crafting. I really like showing off my projects. I am just not a YouTube professional, so bear with me. Okay, again, this is the Scrapbooking with Me design team video. I am thrilled to be a part of the team. I've been following them for a long time, and when the design team call came up, I thought, well, I'm just going to go for it and apply, and I really didn't think I would get selected for the design team, and I am so thankful that I did. So this collection that I'm going to show you is it's called A Walk in the Fall Mist, and there were 3 different parts to this collection. I chose images from all 3 of them, and let's take a look. These kits are digital, so you can print as many sheets as you want. You can print the sheets on whatever medium you want, and you can also print in different sizes. Sometimes I will shrink them, sometimes I will enlarge them. You can do a lot with them, and they're so versatile. And what I love is if I mess up one sheet and I have to start over, I can print another sheet, and I'm not sitting there going, oh, why did I waste that sheet? Okay, so let's take a look. Again, this is A Walk in the Fall Mist. There was a part 1, a part 2, and a part 3, I believe. So here we go. Gorgeous page. This one I printed because I think I will do a folio with it, or a journal, a junk journal, or something like that. This one I just printed on regular copy paper. Actually, it's not regular. It's Hammermill Bright White copy paper. I like the bright white when I use regular paper. Gorgeous images. The house. Look at the depth. Beautiful. So that's the first sheet. Here's another one with the lovely lady walking over the footbridge. Oh my goodness, look at the flowers on that. Beautiful. Here's another. And I'm not sure where the collections start and end as far as which part of the collection it is, because I just kind of put them. That one got turned over. This might be from the journal filler pages. I'm not. No, I think it is A Walk in the Fall Mist. I printed off several, so forgive me if some of these are from a different collection. I don't think they are. Beautiful fall colors. Just a real vintagey scene. The clothes are somewhat vintagey. Maybe more vintage might not quite be the right time frame. I love the churches and the old buildings. The lampposts are gorgeous. Just beautiful. I guess it wouldn't be vintage because she's wearing a short dress. Okay, now these. Nope, that's still paper. I thought it was cardstock. Look at that. Just looks like a nice mist on a body of water. Loving it. Beautiful, beautiful. Again, this one's just on paper. I think I printed some on cardstock. Maybe I didn't with this collection. Beautiful. Love the fall colors. Love the images. I'm sorry, my space heater just turned on. I hope that's not causing too much back noise. I'll try to talk a little louder. Again, another scene on a body of water. Another building. Beautiful. This is that same one from the beginning. I printed extras of this. Oh, wait. Some of these I printed double-sided. Oh, yeah. Okay, I guess I'll flip through some of these again so you can see the back sides. Oops. Okay. So there's that one. Okay, oh, Walk in the Fall Mist, that's part 2. Okay, here's some of the back sides that I printed. So do you see how many different pages there were? Tons. But again, this is 3 collections. Okay, that's cardstock, so I didn't print on the back of that one. Okay, there's those flowers again. Or different flowers, kind of the same, but not. Those 2 are the same. That's a different floral page. Look at, I feel like I can just reach in and pick that up. Another one of that. That one's different. Love this with the pencil sketching. Same one. Is that the same one? Yep, same one. Okay, I think that might be all the double-sided. Nope. There's another one. Those ones are not double-sided. Okay, those ones aren't double-sided. Now, that's a look at the pages. Now let's look at some of the tags and ephemera. There's all these cute little clips that we can add in with a fine day for a walk. There's more of those fit in here. We'll find them as we go. I did all my fussy cutting. I love to fussy cut. Some people hate it. I love it. There are so many pieces to this. Pockets, little strips. I don't know what I'm going to use those for. I never know what I'm going to do with these when I print them out. Sometimes I have a good idea of what I might do. Those ones I chose not to cut out because I may do this as a panel. Or I might cut it out. Who knows? Beautiful, beautiful images. There's a tag. I couldn't punch these out when I was cutting them because I did not have one of my poundy punches. I just had one of the ones that goes clunk, and it would not go all the way in there. So I will have to use one of my, more of my eyelet setter punches. Again, more words, more words. A couple different kinds of tags. We had these, and then we had the squared off ones here. Just beautiful. There is going to be so much I can do with this. And we had these bigger blocks. I'm not sure if I'll use those for pockets. This one actually looked like you could split it, but I don't know what I would do with it yet, so I didn't fold it. Gorgeous. Love the lamppost. I think I told you that. Here's another one that I could fold. Not sure if I will. And then this last one. So that is a look at a Walk in the Fall Mist collection from Scrapbooking with Me. Check out my description for links to their stores and their social media, and also for information on the other design team members. And check out all our videos. If you haven't yet, please like this video. If you want to see more of what I do with these collections, hit the subscribe button so you'll be notified. I will be back again with more from Scrapbooking with Me. Thank you for visiting my channel. Come back again soon, and take care. This is Kathy Lee, Crafting with Kathy Lee.